The eyes are like windows to the soul. In fact, they're one of the most sensitive and intelligent parts of the body.
That's true, and in fact, 90% of all the information you get throughout your lifetime is only coming in through your eyes.
It's the most advanced and fastest computer, right?
Yeah, so no wonder you have to take very good care of them and look after them.
Yeah.
And there's lots we can do for that. We're going to start with a posture called Sarvang Asana, which basically means you have to lie on the mat and raise your legs up. Gently bend your knees, kick up, yeah. Keep pushing your back slowly towards your chin so that the chest and the chin touch each other, and point your toes upwards. This is Sarvang Asana. Whenever in yoga we're working on any specific part of the body, we're just trying to bring the rich blood supply to that part of the body. So as you can see here, the blood flow is towards the head, where the eyes are located, so that's exactly how we would be doing a posture for the eyes. Slowly bend your knees and come back. And sit in Vajrasana till your blood flow normalizes.
How long would you hold an asana like this?
You should hold it for anything between 30 seconds to a minute for it to be effective. Just remember, the blood has to get down from your feet and come down towards your heart, chest, and then go towards the head and the eyes. So essentially the best thing would be to hold it for a minute.
Okay.
But sometimes it's too painful to hold for a minute, then keep increasing the time from 30 seconds onwards.
All right.
Okay. So now what we're going to do is very specific exercises for the eyes, which use your thumbs basically. And your thumbs are just pointers to say you have to look here.
Okay.
So what we're going to start is a very important thing called palming. We're going to start with that. You have to rub your hands together, create lots of energy and heat in your palms, like this, vigorous rubbing, and then take them and place them on your eyes. Keep holding them there till the heat from your palms is totally absorbed by your eyes. This is nothing but energy that you are putting onto your eyes, and they get tired very often staring at a computer screen the whole day. Aditi, can you come back and tell me how it feels? Very relaxing?
Yeah.
So if you're staring at a computer screen the whole day, then this is a must for you. You should do this. Every hour or so, you should do this palming. So the first one, like I said, you'll start by palming. And the second one is by placing your thumbs like this, wide. You place them and you start without shaking your head, keeping your head straight. You have to start looking from your right thumb towards your left thumb without shaking your head.
I see.
So it's going to be a lot of strain on the eye and onto the left thumb. So you have to do this about 5 times. The eyes have to just move towards each thumb. There's a little pause in the middle where you just stare straight ahead. All right, you got that? Yeah. So you have to do that about 5 times. Okay. And you'll feel a definite exercising of the eye muscle. Am I right? Did you feel that?
Yeah, you can feel the pressure here for sure.
Okay. All right. So that pressure is what is happening to the muscle. It's feeling a little bit of pain and it's getting activated. Yeah. All right. The next one we're going to do is, you're going to move your eyes basically in all the directions. So from left to right, right to left, and now you're going to go diagonally.
Okay.
So you're going to keep one thumb here and one raised up here in front of your eye. And you're going to gaze at the thumb below and the thumb above. Yeah. Again, you're going to do this 5 times. Looking down and looking up. And when you've done 5, you can relax. And obviously, you'll repeat this on the other side.
Yeah.
So what you're doing is the muscles which move your eye from here to here, you exercise them. You exercise the muscles which go from here to here. So now what would be left is the muscle which rotates.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you're seeing an object and you're following its movement, you will track it like this. All right. You have to make the circle nice and big, a little bigger than that. Yeah. You're turning your head. That's what. Be careful not to turn your head while you're doing this. It's very normal and natural. Yeah. Keep your hand like this. And then it's only your eyes. So you look a bit strange doing it, but this is exactly what works for your eye muscles. Yeah, because normally your neck rotation is given for this purpose. And stop. And you can do this on both sides. You can do it like this, and you can do it like this. All
So
right?
really stretching your eye muscle all around,
Yeah.
all directions.
Yeah, only one is left over now, which is the movement from near and far. So let's start by bringing your thumb to the tip of your nose. Focus your eyes here, you will feel a very distinct pain. Can you?
Yes.
Yeah.
The bridge.
So now this is contracting the eye muscle. And now start taking it away. Keep staring at it. Taking it away from your eye. Hold here. Now even remove your thumb and stare ahead of you. And then bring your vision right back here. So you have to do this also about 5 to 10 times. And once you've done all this, you've really exercised all those eye muscles. And if you do this regularly, they're going to get jogged up into the perfect condition. In fact, people have been known to reduce the power in their eyes through these exercises. It's quite simple, isn't it?
Yeah. Anyone can sit down and do it at any time. You just have to take out 5 minutes of your time in a day and just do this, especially if you're sitting at a desk the whole day. So thanks, Usha, for those wonderful and simple exercises for the eyes.